Plenty of fog along the coast to start our day today, Keith. I guess that says something about the dew points.
Yeah, and the air mass in general. And this is one of those days, Pat, where the entire day is the same time of day. You know what I mean? Like
the light never changes.
Yeah, it's kind of, we're just kind of stuck in this zone. We're getting some showers out there. Nothing all that heavy. The best stuff is moving towards Greenville right now, but a lot of us are just kind of cloudy. We do have some fog still on the coast and a little bit misty, but there's not a lot of significant rain here, which is what I thought the daytime hours would be like. We're watching the front back to the west. You can see out towards Albany and then up into the Champlain Valley starting to produce some thunderstorms. So we're going to watch this line and just kind of see how it holds together as it moves eastward. It is a front, but it's going to be running into some relatively stable air here in Maine because it's been cloudy and foggy, at least through the first half of the day. Dew points are supportive of some heavy downpour, so we'll continue to watch that, especially tonight. Dew points in the 60s, and this will be kind of the last hurrah for this air mass. Once this front comes through tonight, it'll be noticeably drier on Wednesday and then really dry on Thursday and Friday. Those 2 days are very fall classic types. So here we are this afternoon, still largely just cloudy, a couple of showers around here, those thunderstorms starting to develop. And some of those could be severe to our west, and we still have a slight risk of severe weather in through western and southwestern Maine as well. But this is 7 o'clock, and you can see the line tries to come in, and it may be able to do so, and then it kind of peters out. And I'm not sure it's going to happen quite that fast, but I think the idea is right that you're going to have a hard time keeping severe storms going in the middle of the night in an air mass that's been socked in all day. So we end up with just scattered showers overnight tonight, and then we clear out for tomorrow. Tomorrow's a sunny day along the coastline, partly cloudy as you head farther inland, and then an isolated sprinkle still possible in the mountains. But I think the thing you'll really notice is it is a good looking day, a lot of sun, upper 70s, but it's very breezy, almost windy with wind gusts up to 30 miles an hour. So that's something you will notice kind of persistently through the day on Wednesday. Winds die down Wednesday night, and then Thursday looks good. Notice we're starting in the 40s, even a couple of 30s possible in the mountains, and we only get into the 60s on Thursday. Some of the mountain locations will be in the 50s, and it will feel very, very cool compared to where we've been over the last few days. So still humid, but not much longer. That front sweeps through. It's breezy on the back end on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday both look good. Just be aware that in the morning it will be cool, like a couple of 30s, a lot of 40s on Thursday morning and especially on Friday morning. And then the weekend, let's talk about that. Oh, I don't have time for that graphic. Let's talk about the weekend where we were talking about whether or not that front would come through over the weekend, and there was some debate on that, and I was playing it optimistic, but I was still watching the front. Well, what's happened overnight is actually possibly going to work out for us. The front, instead of being here, has pushed to our south on Saturday and Sunday, and that would actually be a decent solution because it would keep us a little bit cooler, but it would keep us dry too. So that's where we've got the weekend right now. Saturday, the better of the 2 weekend days, and then we got partly sunny on Sunday, maybe an isolated shower over northern Maine on Sunday. We'll kind of nail that down. But overall, I don't think the weekend is likely to be a disaster, which is good because if we got backdoor cold fronted from the north there, it could have been. Chance of showers on Monday could be a little bit warmer than the 70s if that front hangs a little bit farther north, maybe 80 or so there. But either way, Pat, we got a couple of really nice days in here, Thursday and Friday and into Saturday, that are just more in line with what you'd expect for mid-September.
It makes sense. Thank you, Keith.